Oh, this feels nice. It's not quite as big as that other one, but got this big old dinette. Big bathroom, holy cow.
It's kind of nice, actually.
A lot of space in here. And there's a closet even. Little closet, but a closet. Shallow, like your toilet paper and shampoo.
There must be another one on the back side then.
Oh, so the bed pushes back so you can wash around it. Big closet there. So you get lots of storage in this one. What do you think of that? I mean, is that going to be a pain in the ass?
I don't even know how it works.
Oh, look at that. Oh, the outside storage. You can reach in there.
Got some totes here for storage. I don't know how that works. Yeah, it's got to come all the way back.
They might have it locked for the show.
Yeah, it could be. Yeah, I don't care for that.
Says it's a king size. Yeah, this is nice. I mean, this is enough space you can get around pretty comfortable, but
Yeah. Even, you know, doing something here,
Yeah,
you can walk
yeah.
by.
that other one had a nicer kitchen because it had a lot more counter space. But